to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is Hollyland Lark A1 wireless microphone, specially on YouTube. This product I personally purchased on Amazon, the combo. Inside the combo I received the Lightning and C types connector and two receiver as well. So look at this here. This is exactly I ordered this one. The product price is around 86 euro. I already added this product link in video description. Now we'll do unboxing as well as which types of voice you're receiving after connecting this device on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's check it out. Now just simply doing unboxing. We can cut the wrapper. Box is very lightweight and premium quality. Compared to other one, this one is very affordable for everyone. Need to cut here as well. Perfect. And boom, inside the box here is the magic booklet. We are here for you. Inside the packaging here the charging case, Lightning and USB, two transmitter, two magnetic, USB A, USB C cable, and some guides how to on. Here all the information is available: disconnected, pair, noise cancellation, activate and mute as well. So we need to focus on the activate and noise cancellation. Noise cancellation means green, and here the VI. The application is also available. Hollyland website, connect, scan this one and install the application or see the more product detail. Here is our product. Inside the box we receive here premium quality bag as well. The name come Hollyland. Bag's empty. We receive here two filters, same as it is second one. Here is the charging, USB and C charging cable. Now here is our product. We can just simply open. It's very lightweight and it's very small, compact. Look at this here. Here I have the Rode one, the similar kind of same, and boom, we have, it's really tiny device. Look at this. And here the magnet as well, so you can just use this device. It's compulsory to use magnet only. It's really tiny, small, and the charging port is here. You just simply remove this sticker and charge here. So look at this here, light is on. It's a Lightning connector, and this is the C one. So if you have iPhone 14, so you should use Lightning, and all types of phones you can in C types. You need to charge both devices as well with the help of the USB-C charging. Look at this here. The charging is green, it means this one is a full charge, and this device you can charge with the help of C type port. If I connect here, so charging is a start. If charging is a full, so light is convert automatically as a green one. It's really nice and compact device. So this is the unboxing. Now we can do which types of voice we are receiving after using this microphone. So I just simply adjust here. Now you're listening the voice of Hollyland Lark A1 microphone. So which types of voice you are receiving currently you decide, and especially this one is a fully high active noise cancellation is activated, and I connect this mic on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So such kind of voice you are receiving. And previously the same video I recorded the video using Rode wireless microphone. Which one is better you should decide. As well as upcoming days I will make a review video as well, Hollyland Lark A1 or Rode wireless micro mini. So this is the simple unboxing and the review video of Hollyland Lark A1 microphone. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.